For loops in Java, as well as other languages, continually run until a condition is false. You can see from this code that the for loop has three main parts: the initialize step, which in this case is int I equals 0, the condition, which in this case is I less than or equal to 10, finally, the modify step, which again in this case is I++. In this code, and more generally for for loops in Java and similar languages, the int I equals 0 runs first and only once, then it checks the condition if I is still less than or equal to 10. If so, then it runs the code inside the loop body, which prints out the value of I. At the end of each run of the loop, I is incremented by 1. Then the process repeats, and the condition of I being less than or equal to 10 is checked again. In general, you should be using a for loop when the number of times needed to loop is known. For instance, you know you need to loop through an entire array. Finally, we'll cover how to make an infinite for loop. An infinite loop is a loop that never ends. To make an infinite for loop, then, you just need a for loop with no initialize step, no condition, and no modify step. So just put 2 semicolons in the for loop, and you'll have yourself an infinite loop. Like to learn more.